Magandang hapon po ng Monday, November 24, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 24, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto, 655, Mega Lotto, 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, November 24, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for November 24, 2025 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, November 24, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.